What's goody? What's really up, guys? We're back with another video. For the people who didn't know, yes, I am a hairstylist. This is me doing my sister's hair. So, as you can see, I'm going in with the ErickaJ Hold Me Down adhesive. I already put the skin guard down and I already molded her cap down. So now we're just evenly spreading the glue. And you want, oh yeah, excuse me, the niggas is blowing me up. Okay, we're back. Hopefully no more interruptions. But I'm evenly spreading the glue. And you want to be sure to make a thick layer. Well, not thick, but thick in width. So you want the glue to be flat, but you want it to be wide in width so that the wig doesn't decide to slide early. So you want to make sure that's in. I'm just taking my time because you don't want it to be clumpy in some parts because it's not going to dry as fast as the thinner parts. So you're going to have to wait extra long for no reason. So now that the glue is completely dry, there is no white. I outlined where I wanted the wig to be placed, and I'm not going to go past those dots. So now I'm just starting with the middle of the wig, placing it flat. And as you can see, I'm telling her to hold her head up because I don't want any imperfections. So I'm taking the edge of my fingers and I'm pinching the lace at the edge. And I'm going to carefully place it down into the glue, not passing the outlines. If you've already watched my videos before, you can go back and see when I put my own wig on that I make the same guidelines with the dots because that's really helpful when reinstalling. You always want to check before you actually glue the wig down for placement. I don't want to pull too hard because it will make ripples. So you just want to lay it flat. The key is to lay it flat, make sure that it's smooth, and press it in. Once the wig is on, you want to comb back any flyaways. This is the key to having a clean install. Do not tie small flyaways in the glue because after this we're going to put her elastic band on. Now I'm going in and I'm figuring out her parting. She wants a side part and I'm just taking my time to get it figured out and how I want it to fall. Once I decide how I want the part, I'm going in with the hot comb and I'm going to get the roots as flat as I can get them because there's no point in having a fat wig in 2022. It is very important to continue to hot comb until it is flat. Do not move on until the section is flat. Repeat, part and hot comb until it's flat. Okay, but now that we have her wig all flat, I'm going to go in with my flat irons on 450 degrees. I got these flat irons off of Amazon. They're called Kapozi, K-A-P-O-Z-I. They were like $35, but they go up to 450 degrees. They have titanium plates, so that's awesome. I'm taking them and I'm doing the comb chase method. Now that her hair is completely straightened, I'm going to go in with the razor comb and I am cutting her baby hairs. Once that is complete, I will be going in with a really, really small flat iron. I'm not sure what size this is, but I'm going in and I am curling them downward. You can find these flat irons on Amazon. After I curl the baby hairs, I comb them before putting any product in them. Right now, I am carefully shaping them with the the Gots2b Gel in the black bottle, in the squeezy tube, the black squeezy tube. I'm using that, and I'm going to continue to trim and swoop the baby hair until I'm comfortable with the results. After 13 hours of swooping and trimming, we get a little personality from her, okay? I love to see it. I love the results. Very simple, very easy to maintain for the girls who do not know how to maintain their baby hairs. As always, I want to thank you guys for coming back to my channel. And let me know if you guys would like to see more of me as a hairstylist or more vlogs. Just let me know in the comments. And I would love to deliver those requests for you guys. Thank you.